Hey, what's up everybody, and welcome to Vlogmas episode number 5, the 5th of December. Avid viewers of my channel will not usually see me in this attire, but just to explain, I've just got back in from tennis after a long day at work, so I haven't had time to change. But it's all kind of worked out quite well, because as I got in, I discovered a mysterious and very random box was waiting for me on the doorstep. And here it is. So basically what I've done, I've rushed in, quickly put on the lights and the camera and the microphones, and I'm basically going to open this and see what's in it. I've got no idea, so let's open it and find out. So here we go. It's another unboxing video basically, but I have no idea what's in this. So obviously I've cut the tape open, and let's see what we've got going on in here. Oh, well, this is already an excellent start. I see chocolate straight away. Oh yeah. Always a good start to have mince pies. So they're not gonna last very long, let's be honest. They're gonna get eaten pretty much straight away. I may even open them as soon as the camera stops rolling. I think we've also got some chocolates here as well, or they might even be truffles possibly. I can't actually see on there. Yes, indeed, they are white chocolate truffles. So they're not going to last long either. I'm going to eat those pretty much immediately. Looks like we've got some like Christmas cake, some sort of like fruit cake. I love the star on top there. That looks really nice. I think it's chocolate cake. I think chocolate cake with chocolate icing, dark chocolate chips, and edible decorations. Yeah, I'm going to eat that pretty fast. This is going really well so far, and I'm very glad that I don't need to diet. Mulled wine, because of course it is Christmas. I do actually quite like mulled wine, and that's going to go down very, very well. A rich and heartwarming winter recipe blended to perfection with nutmeg, cloves and zingy cinnamon. I will definitely be drinking this. A beguiling mix of spices, orange and a hint of lemon. I don't know if you like mulled wine yourself, but I'm certainly going to open that. Maybe not tonight. Maybe I'll save that for the weekend. Oh, more edibles. This is always really good. Looks like we've got some like mature cheddar mini biscuits there. Those look really nice actually. Yeah, mini cheese biscuits, and those actually look really nice. I'm probably going to have those with my lunch tomorrow, I reckon. All of this stuff I could basically get finished within the space of 24 hours. So let's see how long it lasts. These look really good as well. Caramelized sesame peanuts. Actually, they look really, really nice. I figure that that's an appropriate post-tennis snack, so I might have to have those. Roasted peanuts caramelized in a wonderfully fine glaze with a sprinkling of sesame seeds. That's perfect for after tennis. That's a good excuse for me to eat it. And I think that's everything. So let's just double check. Yeah. So there's some really, really nice goodies in here. I'm very, very, very excited to get stuck into all of this. The mulled wine looks pretty gosh darn good, with the cheese biscuits as well. Mince pies, because it's obviously Christmas. You can't not have mince pies. These I really want to open straight away. The white chocolate truffles, I definitely want to start eating them. The chocolate cake, yeah, I really want some of that. This is the problem as well, when you just play tennis and I just get in. I haven't yet had dinner, so I'm super, super hungry. I just want to eat all of this right now. And I'm definitely going to basically open those as soon as I finish this video. So they're not going to last long. So there you have it. That is my hamper of goodies that was waiting for me on my doorstep this very evening. So there we go. It was all in this nice little hamper box as well. But yeah, I'm definitely looking forward to getting stuck into all of these wonderfully delicious looking things. I'm also working from home tomorrow, which basically means I'm going to sit here and basically eat all of this. So there we go, a pretty brilliant way to end the day. What a fantastic thing to come home to. And a huge thanks to my boss, Kate, for arranging this and sending this to me. This is really, really appreciated. And I am super, super hungry. So I'm going to stop recording right away, open these things up, and start eating them straight away. So with that said, and that surprisingly good news to finish an episode of Vlogmas, thank you very much for watching. Please subscribe. I've got some great Star Wars content coming up soon in the next few episodes, so stay tuned for that, and I'll see you guys real soon.